Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing how to use an essential oil diffuser, the benefits of diffusing, and then my 3 favorite essential oil diffusers. There are so many benefits of diffusing essential oils. Think mood. So if you're feeling sad, anxious, if you need a energy boost, if you want to sleep better, anything mental, diffusing is really great for. So uplifting your mood, think citrus essential oils. If you need help with motivation, rosemary, peppermint, those kind of stimulating essential oils are great. And then if you need help with sleeping or relaxing, think the calming essential oils like lavender is a huge one done in a lot of the studies with essential oils and promoting relaxation, and then cedarwood are grounding essential oils. And mood boosting oils, any oil that smells good to you is going to help with boosting your mood and making you feel happy. So they just have a powerful effect on our mood in that way. And then there are different therapeutic reasons to diffuse essential oils too. Like I said, lots of studies have been done with lavender, different calming essential oils, promoting relaxation, stress relief. And then also there are different essential oils that help with fighting germs in the air. So think your immune blends. So many different brands have immune support blends. Diffusing those into the air, or peppermint oil to increase alertness. There are just so many different ways and reasons that we diffuse, and really we do this also to replace candles. This is a huge one. I love fall candles. I was a huge fall pumpkin candle and pumpkin beer person. That was just my favorite time of the year. Candles left our furnace filters black, and so that was a red flag. And then also there are just so many cheaply made candles, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you that all candles are bad, but you can make your own essential oil candles, or you could just swap candles with really good essential oil blends in your diffuser. So I will put just more information on all of this too in this blog post. And then lastly, I will talk about safety. Then we'll talk about different kinds of diffusers, and then my favorites. So safety tips from Robert Tisserand. This is a huge person in essential oil safety. So look him up and look at their website if you haven't done that before. Basically, the safety tips from the Tisserand Institute is to have a well-ventilated space, or diffusing in a large room, open windows if it's not a large room, and then diffusing intermittently. So don't diffuse straight for 8 hours. Go in spurts, 30 minutes on, an hour off, or 30 seconds on. There are different intermittent diffuser settings on just various different diffusers, but don't just continuously diffuse for a long period of time. Then also pets or babies, make sure you're following guidelines for that. And I will include that in this blog post. But basically for pets, if you want to diffuse around pets, just make sure they have an opportunity to leave the room or wherever the space is that you are diffusing. And then there's a list of essential oils that just aren't really safe to diffuse around children and babies specifically. So I will put that in this post. Next, there are 3 different types of diffusers. So the ultrasonic diffusers are the most commonly used. That's what you see people diffusing most. And these are 2 of my favorites. These are actually salt rock diffusers too. But basically this type of diffuser has a part where you fill water and essential oils. This one just comes off, but you put water and oil in a place on your diffuser, and then it disperses into the air. And these are pretty quiet. Most of them turn off after they're empty. They're pretty safe to use. And that's why they're the most multifunctional and most common to diffuse. And there's also nebulizing diffusers. I'll put a clip in here. I have a couple of those as well. Basically screw essential oil bottle into the diffuser. Instead of using water and oil, you just use the bottle of essential oil, and then it disperses the essential oil in really tiny particles into the air. This one I have used in my car before, but I really don't like to use in small spaces. This is a super potent, powerful way to use essential oils aromatically, and so make sure you're using those in a small amount of time, very out, because it's very potent, concentrated. So if you are sensitive to essential oils in this way, don't use the nebulizing ones. Use them for a very short period of time. Then next are passive diffusers, and this is like a couple of drops of essential oil onto something, basically smelling it as you walk by, or like my vent clip diffuser I'll put here also a clip of, but you clip it into the vent and your fan in your car kind of disperse essential oils dropped on a little cotton pad. So very small spaces, people who are sensitive to essential oils. I'll share my 3 favorite essential oil diffusers. These are one of them. Pure Enrichment is a great brand. They have so many different home products, but they make really great diffusers that are low maintenance and really just last a really long time. There are 2 different salt ones that we love. And I also have a disco ball diffuser. That's one of my favorites. I'll put a clip here. It is super cute. It rotates, has lots of different light. It diffuses essential oils. It's like perfect. And also my vent clip diffuser is my 3rd favorite. Not in any order, but just in my top 3. It is so easy to use. The scent lasts a long time, and it's really, you just drop the essential oil in the little wick, and that makes your car smell really good for a long time. And you don't have to carry water. It's not a nebulizing or an ultrasonic diffuser in your car. It's just you kind of set it and forget it type of diffuser, and it takes up minimal space just being clipped on your vent. So I really love that one too. But I think that's it. My essential oil brands that we love will be in this blog post and down below in the description, as well as my essential oil guides. If you have any questions on anything I talked about or any of those, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.